What's going on, everybody? It's your boy CryptoMykel coming today with a hardware update-ish. Guys, we had an issue with our EVGA power supply. Had it for a little bit. SuperNova. It's actually my second SuperNova to actually give me an issue. Fan does not really spin anymore. It's grinding against the cage. It being terrible. It sounded like it was grinding against the cage. It was hitting it definitely, but the bearing was definitely shot. And we just can't have that, right? You know, it just went bad and the rig started acting. I don't know if the rig was acting up because of the power supply or if it was just pure luck. It was the the Navi rig, which Watchdog likes to turn that one off every once in a while. Still got dust on my hat from cleaning off the rig and everything. There we go. Cool. So, as you'll see here in a second, got the power supply out. Had a hard time getting it out the front, which is very weird, considering that it's a pretty small power supply. Had to go out the back, which was weird and shouldn't have to do that, but whatever. You'll watch me struggle there for a second. And then we slide in the new power supply by replacing it with another Corsair 1000, was it the RX? Yeah, another 1000-watt RX Corsair power supply, which I like those power supplies. I don't know if I'll get any more of the EVGAs. First one I had died. Second one, of course, fan started dying out on me. So, yeah, might just stick with the trusted Corsairs for me that way, and they've been pretty good for me for quite some time. So you'll watch me swap that out, replacing some of the wire, and of course replacing the cords because the cords don't cross over on this one. And then that's pretty much it. It's pretty quick, simple, straight to the point. Yeah, so we'll cut over to that real quick. We'll watch me go super fast. Alright, so I'm sure you just got that. Super fast, super fun, struggle bus a little bit, and a little bit of dancing at the end, right? Super fun. So guys, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, bell notifications so you know time that we go live or I post a video here on my channel. So greatly appreciated, guys. We will catch y'all next time. We got an interesting video coming out here soon, and yeah, see y'all on the flip side, guys. Keep your hash rates up, keep your power supplies going, and keep on hashing. Peace out.